Hello guys, CryptoTalon here, back with another video. It feels so good guys, just to say that again. I've been away for about 5 to 6 months. I'm so sorry. I've just been busy and yeah, just had some issues going on. But guys, I'm back, I'm good and I'm better. Hope everyone's doing well during these rough times, and yeah, I'm back with some tips with crypto. So guys, I'm starting to look into passive income streams, and I've been looking into different miners, and I've come across a Cake miner. It's come out recently, probably about 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago ish, guys, around that time frame. And yeah, so I've been in a few different miners recently, and yeah, I thought I'd just give you one of the miners I've just got into, and just to tell you how it's been doing. And yeah, so essentially guys, all you do is you send Cake, which is, PancakeSwap, but they have their own token called Cake, which is right here. You send Cake to your MetaMask, and then which is your Binance Smart Chain network, and then you connect it to the link down below, which I'll put, which is a Cake miner, and then you would just essentially approve how much you would want here. So say example, you want 10 Cake, for example. Once that's approved, you go here and you would hire your miners. And yeah guys, and so that is currently what you'd get right now, 246.78 miners. And I'm just going to go through with you what it is and how I've been doing so far. So guys, so far I am mining 0.54 feet per hour, and so far in 18 hours and 26 minutes. And it starts guys from 24 hours, so I've been mining for about 2 hours and 30, about 6 hours and 30 minutes, and I've gained 0.107, 0.1097, sorry guys, my bad, which is approximately £1.50, which ain't too bad guys. As how these miners work is, you can pay for the miners essentially, but you cannot take out your miners, and everything comes out from this contract balance here. Guys, I've got in pretty early, but I'm just an average Joe, as they say, and I'm not trying to just, I'm not one of them big boys who just slap 10 grand, or you know what I'm saying. I'm just an average guy like all of yous, and I'm just trying to earn good passive income streams. So yeah, so basically guys, it all comes from the contract, and how it works is you earn 3% daily, roughly guys. It depends on how Cake is doing. It can go up, it can go down, it can fluctuate, because also through the other people on the contract of the miner, as they could pocket the Cake, which means they can essentially sell the Cake, but not their miners guys, because how it works is once you have your miners, which is this, you cannot sell your miners, you can only sell how much it brings in. And yeah, or there's a button called compound. As you can see guys, I'm moving up slowly, my Cake is just going up. But essentially how it works is, if you compound guys, you basically get more miners, which will produce more Cake. But yeah guys, so right now I'm on that, and it's moving up and up slowly, but I thought I'd just bring it to you guys, even if it's worth, I will link, even if it's worth putting a bit of money into it, as it's doing me well so far, and so are the other miners, which I'll do videos on. But yeah, if you want to see a tool try how to proper do the full-blown thing, I will put it down below, and I will bring it to you tomorrow if you'd like to see that, which I explain proper full detail. I'll send the money, etc., and I'll just do the whole full tutorial. But yeah guys, so this is how I'm roughly earning some money, and this is just roughly about 3% a day. And yeah, but guys, my strategy mainly is just to compound every like 4 hours roughly. So yeah, I compound probably about 4 times a day with my other miners also, but I've just started off with this Cake miner. And I also think Cake miners are good, because as you know, PancakeSwap Cake, people stake a lot, so they have a lot of Cake available, and I think this is a very, very good way just to put your money in your cake in and leave it there and just compound or pocket your cake, which essentially sell your cake. But yeah, me personally, I've been compounding as I want to get more miners before I feel like this is about to blow, and then I want more miners before, you know, it blows up, guys. But yeah, it'll be linked down below, guys, and you can also earn 10% if you give people your code, or yeah. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you a little video. There's going to be more videos how to make passive income. And yeah, guys, remember, I'm just a normal guy like everyone else. Just a bit of money putting it in and trying to make a living. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Hope everyone's all well. Peace.